Hi, I'm Brian Deitches, and I'm the Vice President of Global Insight for Toronto-based Watt International. We're an international brand strategy firm and design firm. So we specialize in really two core components, and the reason we're here at the NRF is the NRF has chosen Watt International as one of the leading design firms international to come in and help decide and work with the attendees on the process of design. So as I was stating, we are Toronto-based and an international company. So we have offices in Shanghai, Dubai, Toronto, and Los Angeles. So part of our world, part of our passion for design has always been around the design process. So we're speaking here, of course, at NRF's Design Studio. And the Design Studio was conceptualized as an opportunity and an arena to be able to bring the design trade and the design leaders together with the attendees of the NRF to be able to have a casual dialogue about design, about the process of design, the importance of design, the investment of design, and of course the trends in design. So the studio you're in here is approximately 3,500 square meters. So it's a very sizable space here. And part of the arena that you've seen here is that there are 11 design firms represented. And part of the attendee experience, because we certainly know that here at the NRF we have many Brazilians who come to visit. So it gives, for instance, the Brazilian attendees an opportunity to come not only look and talk to the international design firms, but to also receive quite a bit of education. So here in the back of the hall, we have a dedicated education space that about 6 to 7 times a day has education sessions underway that really deal with all of the key aspects of design. This morning I spoke on design investment and what the return on investment should be for someone who is, whether it's building just a storefront or whether you're building a shopping center, what it is you should think about in terms of the overall valuation. We had this morning Giorgio Baruso, who is a very famous Italian designer of retail, speak of course, and he spoke about a lot of the international projects that he's involved in, and I think to a degree as a curator why those projects have gone on to win acclaim and many design awards. I think the other things that are really important about this space here is that the bar that you see behind us here is what we call really the design inspiration bar. And this area is meant to be not only for a casual social opportunity, but to take these sketching boards. So if we actually speak to someone, and we're speaking to someone from Sao Paulo and they're wanting to ask me a question about design, I can actually go and I can sketch it for them. I can show them how the design process unfolds from a creative component all the way to a maturation through the graphics. Okay?
Great. And this is your first year participating with the big show, or have you guys been working together?
This is our second year of producing the Design Studio. I myself have spoken here at the NRF a number of years. And part of what we have always known very important to all of our international attendees as well as domestic attendees is the importance of store design and brand design. So the NRF took a very bold, a very brave step in dedicating this space and helping to create and bring this opportunity for all of us in the design world.